Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can Google form multiple choice questions like this. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all different types of multiple choice questions. So I'm going to show you how you can go about that. So to set up these multiple choice questions, these type of them, I think you should be choosing them here. So the first one which you are seeing is multiple choice here. And then the second one is a drop down, something like that. So you just need to choose the type like this. Be choosing the type and then you're good to go. So what is a bit complicated is this is check boxes. You can see here, you just check them. So let me tap on it for you to see the type. It's check boxes. It's very simple. If you know how to operate this, you can do this in a jiffy. So let me move to the last one, which is a bit complicated. So I'll be doing some elaborations on this, but for the other ones I think it's very simple for you to do it. If you can't do it, I have a full video on how you can create a fully functioning form for your employment and surveys and research on my channel. You can check out that video. So now let me touch on this. Let me do some small elaborations here. So you can see here, this is for written wise, and on this side you'll be given a row and column. This is the user interface, what the user is going to see here. So this is where all the magic happens. Let me tap on it for you to see. It's a bit complicated, that's why I'll be doing some elaborations on it for you guys to grasp the concept. This is the question. So this is a multiple choice grid. Good. So just like you can see on here, you have this column and you have this column as well. So here you just tap in on the rows section, you tap in this options. Good. So let's say the question will be, how do you rate your skills? And then you enter the skills here, and then you give this ratings also here. So always you should know the ratings should be on the column section. If it's good, bad, excellent, what it should be on the column section. And then what you want to ask them the question about, whether it's their skills, in anything you want to ask them, companies or any sort of questions, those sort of questions need to appear here, and the ratings would have to also appear here. Very simple here, just like you can see. So you can see Microsoft, Tesla and the other here, and you can see problem solving. Let me come here. You can see problem solving and the rest here, and the ratings are also here. So ratings on column and the questions on rows. So that's it on how you can create all types of multiple choice questions on Google Forms. So just like I mentioned earlier, I have a full tutorial video on that. So if you want to get all the concepts about this, you can check out that video. I'm going to drop a link in this video's description. So that's it for the video. Once again, if you are new here, you do well to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you are old here, I would say thank you for visiting us once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.